What is BHRT?
BHRT stands for Bioidentical Hormone Replacement Therapy. BHRT is a treatment option we offer here for men and women who are feeling the effects of getting older. So menopause, for sure, women go through many different signs and symptoms of menopause, and some that are not what you're asking for, but it's part of aging. So we can treat those symptoms, but also treat their health and improve their health as they get older through giving bioidentical hormones. So there's a safety factor in the bioidentical part. We use compounding pharmacies to make bioidentical molecules, so exact replicas of the hormones that you had in you, and then they're efficacious in that they do the work that the hormones did whenever you had them. We know from our medical literature what levels to get, so we check blood and we check your blood levels and we see how are you feeling, what do the blood levels look like, and be able to improve your day-to-day life as you get older. So it's all about reducing symptoms of aging, keeping you young and healthy, but also improving your overall health. That's cardiovascular health, bone health, brain function and cognitive function, immune system. Every system of the body is positively affected through having some level of these hormones in us that decline as we age.